Looking to start Python programming, but don't know where to start? Then stop right there, because you found the best free Python course for beginners. Hi, I'm Michael, and I'll be your instructor, where you'll learn from the ground up how to not only code, but to think like a programmer. In this course, you'll learn variables and strings, lists, dictionaries and tuples, the all-important control flow, advanced for loops and while loops, list comprehension, functions and the random module, lambda and how to handle errors. And along the way, you'll reinforce your learning with fun and challenging exercises with full solutions provided in both lectures and in PDF folders. Feel free to check out the curriculum. So what are you waiting for? Join today and become a Python pro in a day. I'll see you in the course.